Hello, welcome. Today we will be conducting an experiment. First, we'll understand what we have to do in that experiment because we are here to prove something, and once we understand what we have to prove and how we have to prove it in an experiment, so without any welcome everyone. I might be looking familiar, okay, so let's see what we are up to. Okay, where is my video? Oh, really sorry. I must have added this after my video. Just a minute. Video capture device. Here it is. What is the problem? Okay. Yes, so we are ready and setup is complete. So I have to illustrate with this hand and tell as well. So what the question is that what is we have to determine what is the shape of the curvature of water above water in a silver glass. तो अगर हम एक सिल्वर ग्लास लेते हैं और उसमें वाटर प्लेस करते हैं तो उसका कर्वेचर कैसा होना चाहिए. हमारा प्रिडिक्शन है लाइक आर प्रिडिक्शन इज कि इफ देर इज अ ग्लास लाइक दिस then instead of a curvature like this or like this, either of both, okay, the curvature or the curve should be a perfect straight line, a straight line here. So we have to somehow make sure that we do our experiment in such a way that it becomes obvious and clear that the water is in a straight line, though I'm not able to draw a straight line here. Okay, it should be a straight line. So what are we going to do? Firstly, we'll take a glass, normal glass made out of glass, and then we'll take a glass of silver, which is actually a bowl. So first we'll pour water till brim in this glass, and we'll maintain some level in this glass. Okay, so we expect that here the curvature is like this. Due to the adhesive forces, the water molecules are getting attracted towards the surface. Okay, the surface of glass. So they are trying to move towards this. So our what we'll do is we'll place a cap. Have you seen those caps present on Ruafza bottles or on the medicine syrups, cough syrups? We'll place a cap over water here, and the moment we place the cap will move towards either of these ends, because as the water molecules below it will get attracted towards the surface and try to move there, the cap will flow along with those water molecules, and we'll first demonstrate this. But when we'll place our cap here, I'm just putting my mic a bit down, okay, so that my voice might turn low here. But when we'll keep the cap here on a straight water, here the cap will be moving like this. Let me show it with a red pen. Like this, like this. Here on the surface, it will never touch this surface, and it will be moving randomly here, there, because you know the liquids and the molecules in liquids are always in motion. Okay. Then in the third step, we'll pour some oil into this. Water is very less viscous. Now we'll pour some viscous fluid called oil into this, mustard oil, and at that very moment the movement of cap will stop. It will cease to move. It will not move. It will be stick on one location. Okay. So quickly, firstly I will show you both. We'll view the curvature. The If you look from top, it will look as if it's concave, the concave curvature in the water only, and I've shown you here. But what usually people don't understand, how does this curvature look like and feel like? Okay, this one. So today we have here mercury. I don't have mercury. We have mercury to just demonstrate what does this curvature look like. My video is lagging a lot, so this curvature, the convex curvature. Okay, so let me quickly close this tab, or first I should bring the. So here I have a video with me where you will understand what is the curvature. So here we'll see.
गाइस, तो अब आप देख सकते हैं कि ये कितनी खूबसूरत चीज है। देखो, है ना यार, मस्त, ऑसम। अब आप देख सकते हैं कि ये किसी शीशे की तरह ग्लो करती है। अगर आप इसे ऊपर से देखें तो इसके अंदर आप अपना चेहरा बिल्कुल, है ना मस्त चीज। और इसके साथ ही साथ गाइस, आप इस चीज को पकड़ भी नहीं सकते। जैसे ही आप इसे पकड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, ये आपके हाथ से दूर चली जाती है।
I'm using the mic.
है ना मस्त चीज। और गाइस, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि ये जो चीज है वो पानी से 13 गुना ज्यादा डेंस होती है। तो ये जो सिक्के हैं, अगर मैं इसे इस मर्क्यूरी के ऊपर डालता हूं तो ये भी इसके ऊपर तैरने लगते हैं। देखो, ये डूब नहीं रहे। मैं इसे कितना ही डुबोने की कोशिश कर लूं, लेकिन ये नहीं डूबेंगे। देखो किस तरीके से ये इस मर्क्यूरी के ऊपर तैर रहे हैं। देखो, ऑलराइट, तो चलो अब इसे अपने हाथ के ऊपर डाल के देखते हैं। ये सच में काफी ज्यादा भारी है, इसीलिए मुझे इसे उठाने में भी काफी
Okay, so as you as you have seen in the video, mercury is a very nice little thing, but dangerous at the same time. So now we'll visualize this thing. First we'll visualize the step 2. First we understood what the experiment is, what we have to do. Now we'll visualize our results, and then we'll see whether it matches with reality or not, or reality matches with our predictions or not. So here is a presentation. I hope and I believe you are not able to see the presentation. Just a minute. Okay, because the presentation view is on here, I'll quickly move it to display number 2. Yes, so it's a very nice presentation here. You will understand from this presentation what are we trying to do. It's a silver glass and we have an ordinary glass. Here let's see what happens if we put the cap, if we release the cap right now. This is the 3D motion, and there you have the what do we say, two-dimensional motion, or from top view. Now the glass is moving a bit slowly, but things will obviously move faster in reality. So this is what will happen in a silver glass, and they will not touch the brim here due to I forgot that to include this point here. So they will not touch the brim in reality. But let's see what happens in an ordinary glass. The moment I release the cap, see, it will go and stick at one point. It will not move from there. Okay, so now we know what is the experiment. We also know what are we expecting from